Are you looking for the quick cleaning tool? In this video, we will show the 6 best quick cleaning tool. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. O-Cedar H2 Pro Flat Mop System, Quick Cleaning Tool. Clean with clean water, machine washable reusable microfiber mop pad, safe on wood floors, vinyl, tile, baseboards, walls. Color is red. Material is microfiber. Handle material is alloy steel. Handle type is telescopic. Head material is microfiber. Keep clean and dirty water separate. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water completely separate, so every swipe uses fresh water, reducing cross-contamination and boosting clean results. 1.2-liter water tank cleans up to 650 square feet per fill. Removes dirt, pet hair, and stains fast. Microfiber pads lift dirt, spills, and pet hair in fewer passes for streak-free results on hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. Hands-free wringing and easy refill. Easily wring out mop water without bending or mop head touching dirty water. Detachable tank makes refills fast and mess-free. Long handle and 360-degree rotating mop head. Reach under furniture, into corners, along baseboards and walls with the extendable long handle and swivel mop head for effortless cleaning. Durable microfiber pad. Machine washable mop pads last through repeated use. Replace every 3 months for peak performance. Number 5. Bissell Steam Shot Omni-Reach Handheld Portable Steam Cleaner for tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, fabric steaming tool. Brand, Bissell. Special feature, portable. Surface recommendation, grout. Model name, Steam Shot Omni-Reach. Included components, grout brush. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for Bissell to continue our support of Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Clean with the natural power of steam. 1,000 watts of steam power. On-demand steam trigger. Control the amount of high-pressure, high-temperature steam. Chemical-free cleaning. Powerful clean with water alone. Safe to use in homes with kids and pets when used as directed. Important. Please use the measuring cup included when filling with water to ensure there is no leakage. One tool, endless possibilities. Includes multi-surface tools for hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber. Cordless cleaning brush scrubber for home, 8 replaceable brush heads, 90 minutes work time, 3 adjustable size, 2 speeds for bathroom, shower, bathtub, glass, car. Brand is Bombvest, color is white, handle material is stainless steel plus plastic. Specific uses for product: bathroom, bathtub, shower, toilet, kitchen, pool, window, vehicle, car, tile, grout, floor, furniture, wall, carpet, sink, basin, bathroom, bathtub, shower, toilet, kitchen, pool, window, vehicle, car, tile, grout, floor, furniture, wall, carpet. Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber, cordless cleaning brush scrubber for home bathrooms, kitchen, toilet brush, bathtub, window. Powerful and convenient. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning tools. Let the new household cleaning tools change your life. We collected the needs of users from all over the internet, combined with the advice of top designers to produce an ergonomic electric spin scrubber. The electric spin scrubber uses top-of-the-line chip technology, battery capacity up to 5,000 mAh, The battery takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. Number 3. Broom and Dustpan Set. Dustpan with long handle, broom with dustpan combo set, broom and dustpan for home, indoor or outdoor cleaning tool. Brand, Ivandar. Color, gray and black. Recommended uses for product, floor cleaning. Bristle material, polypropylene. Handle material, stainless steel. Bristle type, unflagged bristle. Special feature, angled bristle, bacteria resistant, heavy duty. Efficient cleaning of broom bristles. The upgrade broom has 4 layers of hard bristles and the compact structure does not absorb water. It can effectively sweep and absorb dust, dirt, and hair on the ground. The micro-curved design can effectively sweep the floor without dust and can be washed with water. Long, adjustable broom handle. Number 2. Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, Car/Auto Detailer, with Hydro Rinse Self-Cleaning Tool and 4-inch Tough Stain Tool, Tea Green. Brand, Bissell. Color, tea. Item weight, 7 pounds. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for Bissell to continue our support of Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Save your sanctuary. Tackle spills and pet stains while removing dander, dust, and pollen allergens. Cleans more than carpet. Spray, scrub, and suction to remove embedded dirt and stains from upholstery, car interiors, pet beds, and more. Includes 4-inch Tough Stain Tool with removable lens, Hydro Rinse Self-Cleaning Tool hose, and 8 ounces Bissell Little Green formula. Easy storage. Conveniently stores in small spaces, perfect for cabinets, closets, and more. Little Green formula. Instantly and permanently removes stains and eliminates everyday household odors. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket. System with foot pedal, hands-free wringing microfiber mop for hardwood, tile, and laminate floors. Color, EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket. Material, plastic. Handle material, wood. Handle type, telescopic. Head material, microfiber. Mop without the mess. Built-in foot pedal lets you wring hands-free, while the splash guard keeps water contained during use and transport. Reach tight corners easily. Triangular mop head rotates 360 degrees to clean under furniture, along baseboards, and into corners with precision. Adjust for comfortable cleaning. Telescopic handle extends up to 51 inches, helping reduce back strain and fit users of all heights. Reuse and save. Washable, reusable microfiber refills help cut cleaning costs in half versus disposable pads. Control moisture with every spin. Foot pedal spin system lets you customize mop dampness for different floor types and mess levels.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.